Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and guys, I received many messages from you all from different countries of the world. Actually, what happened a couple of days ago, IELTS test was declared and many students did not receive their result, and they have mentioned result delayed and all that. Well, I'm going to tell you why do they delay the result, what is the reason for the result delay, and what you should do if your result is actually delayed. First of all, if your result is delayed, that can be due to any misconduct or anything that you did in the exam. The other day, somebody sent me a message and he said, "Sir, my friend's result is delayed." I said, "Did he do anything wrong in the examination?" And he said, yes, he told 3 answers to a girl who was sitting in front of him. So if that is the case, then result delay is very, very dangerous, and at the end, the test will be cancelled and then you'll have to take IELTS test once again. That's number 1 reason. Number 2 reason, there are some quality checks. So if your band score has got difference, for example, in reading and listening you got very high band, but in writing and speaking you don't have you don't have a band score that matches with your listening and reading band score, then they doubt that you might have bought the keys or there must be something wrong and all that. Then they have the quality checks. So that is the second reason where the result is delayed. And usually if you don't do anything wrong after a couple of weeks, they announce your result and then that is fine. Well, the third reason, whenever we've got the month of December, the last test of December is always delayed due to 2 factors. Factor number 1, Christmas. Factor number 2, Happy New Year. Now see, IELTS test was conducted on 19th Jan. And then from 25th onwards, there were the holidays all over the world, wherever, these IELTS people are. So they had the holidays for Christmas, then for New Year. So that is another reason for the delay of the result. I just received a message from British Council and they have mentioned very, very clearly that due to Christmas and New Year, some students have not received their result, but we are working on it. In a couple of days or in a week or so, all the students will get the delayed result. So if you are out of those whose result is delayed and you are waiting for your result and you don't know what's wrong, don't worry, calm down. It can be due to Christmas or it can be due to New Year. Okay guys, thank you very, very much. I made this short video on your demand because many students were frustrated that why there is a delay in the result, because whenever there is a delay, you have certain concerns and you start thinking, I didn't do anything wrong during the exam, I went outside to pee once only, maybe that's why my result is delayed, or I went to drink water or they gave me water, I asked for water, maybe that's why my result is delayed. Not at all. These small things don't matter at all. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck from his IELTS masterclass. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.